Hey guys, welcome to TUI Electrical's Top Tips. Hey, today I just wanted to touch on USB outlets. Basically, we live on these things these days, and quite often they drain battery quite quickly. Look, an easy upgrade is to take a standard PowerPoint and turn it into one of these. It doesn't cost a lot, but then you don't have to carry around the actual plug that goes in. And quite often you'll find that you can plug one charger in, but you can't ever fit anything else beside it. So these are neat. You basically put them in. Always try and put one in the kitchen and next to the bed in the master bedroom, and even the kids' rooms for that matter. But yeah, really simple. Take your old PowerPoint out, put one of these in. So if you're looking for a small little upgrade, call us 0800 233 532. Always here to help.